Hi everyone, this is Joaquin from the Routine team, and this is an update about the Notes editor for what happened this week. As you may know, we released a new editor this week, and so it's available in the app. And we've been doing a lot of bug fixes this week and investigating some issues with it. So I'll go through them and I'll explain what they are. Now we changed the behavior of mode A. Before it would select all of the blocks, and now when you do mode A, it selects the block, the text in the block, and then mode A again selects all of the blocks in the page. So that was a behavior that was missing. The rectangle selection while scrolling, it wasn't updating, and now you can scroll with the document. This one's not long enough, but you can scroll, and if you keep selecting, then the selection still works. We fixed the caret, the text caret being visible. Sometimes when a block was active, especially happened at the end of the document, when you had this last block and you press escape, the caret would be visible, and that's been fixed now. We fixed mode enter with recurrent tasks to visit them. Before it wouldn't work, and now it does. It sends you to the task. We also fixed when the block task is selected like this or like this, and you press enter on it, then it goes to it as it should, and the same goes for the recurrent task. That also works. There's this bug in the task where you have to press escape 2 times. We're going to fix that soon. We are aware of that. We also fixed triple click. When triple clicking some piece of content, the formatting menu would hide. That was unintended, so that's fixed as well. So now you can select the full paragraph and very easily apply the formatting to it. What else? Not showing the editor selection when we're focusing on something else, like a view block or an embed block. Before, when you would create an embed, for example, the block would appear selected, even if we were focused inside the embed, and now that's been fixed. So that's working well, and if you select a block, then the block can be selected. Same thing for views. Now when we make a view, you don't see a selection around it, and the view is focused, and you can press enter and use the keyboard for that. And then if you click on the block, it selects the whole block. Let's see what else. And we also have added the open handles, which were missing before. We had the keyboard shortcut for tasks, but the open handles were not there. And now they do the same thing as the keyboard shortcut. So for mouse users, that should be something that's welcome. And we are, just to mention, we are investigating some slowness and crashes when some changes happen to a page or an object from externally, like you didn't do them directly. Like for example, with the context menu, these actions, if you delete the task is still here, but it's really not in the document. If I open it again, you'll see it's gone. It's just that the editor is having trouble reflecting the changes that happened from somewhere else in the system. So this can happen when you do some action with the context menu, like deleting it, or when you, maybe with LSR has been reporting problems with when you're taking notes on an event and the event gets deleted or moved in Google Calendar, then that's having some issues with the editor, and particularly the tasks and actions on tasks that were on the notes of the event. So we are investigating that. It's very important, and we're hoping to get a fix as soon as possible with the next release. Just to mention, if you're having these problems, you can go to Settings in Preferences, and then you can disable the new Notes editor, and you'll get the old one like we had before. So this is the old editor, and maybe it doesn't have the same issues, and maybe this way you can get your work done without being disrupted until we find the fixes for these edge cases that we didn't encounter before. So yeah, sorry about the inconveniences. I hope if it's working for you that it's been good to you, and we'll be improving it a lot in the next few days. See ya, bye.